This is a brief overview of the Renaissance. Listen to the lecture and fill in the blanks on your student note pages to complete this set of notes. There are 4 pages total. Part 1. Renaissance is the name historians have given to the period after the Middle Ages. You've learned about the ancient Romans. We refer to the time of the ancient Greeks and the ancient Romans as the classical world or ancient world. The classical world began around 2000 BC and ended with the fall of Rome in 476 AD. You also learned about the period after the collapse of the Roman Empire, which historians call the Middle Ages. Mark the classical world and the Middle Ages on the timeline on your set of notes. You'll see that I've already marked the Renaissance for you. So if you've done this correctly, the classical world is the section in purple and the Middle Ages is the section in green. Renaissance is a French word that means rebirth. The painting that you see is called the School of Athens. It was painted by a Renaissance artist named Raphael. This painting shows his idea of great thinkers of the classical world. Throughout this unit, we'll focus on a central question. How do new ideas change a society? The drawing on this page was painted by Leonardo da Vinci, another Renaissance artist. This painting is called the Vitruvian Man. It shows Leonardo da Vinci's idea of a man created in the perfect proportions. As the Middle Ages came to an end, a new age, the Renaissance, began in the rich city-states of northern Italy. Historians do not agree on a specific date for the beginning and end of the Renaissance period. In this class, however, we're going to refer to the Renaissance as spanning the years 1350 to 1600 AD. There were approximately 250 city-states on the Italian peninsula during the Renaissance. A city-state is an independent state and all the territory it governs. The 2 most powerful city-states during the Renaissance were Florence and Venice. And they had become rich by controlling the trade between Asia and Europe. You can see the trade routes. So on page 2 of your set of notes, I want you to locate Florence, Venice, and also Rome on your map. You can see Florence is up here. I'm sorry, Florence is here, Venice is here, and Rome is down at kind of the knee. You can see the Italian peninsula is shaped like a boot, and so Rome is just about at the knee. And I'd also like you to add the cardinal directions. So you would add north, south, east, and west on your map. And this will conclude part 1 of your Renaissance overview notes.